everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a look at 8 new fall colors from Ugly Duckling. I didn't buy all of their fall colors this round, but I definitely will be getting the rest of their collection. I picked 8 of my favorites, so I'm very excited to be able to share these with you. Some of the girls on the CNDC Facebook page, including myself, wanted to see swatches and what these colors looked like up close and personal. So I'm quite happy to be able to share this with you. So I hope you enjoy this video. One thing I wanted to show you is that they changed their brushes. It wasn't that bad. It was a little bit more challenging for me personally to use this, their older brush, in particular on smaller nail beds. And this picture here that I'm going to show you, this my daughter's nails. She's 25 years old and she's got the cutest, smallest hands. Of course, she's my kid, so what's not cute about her? Anyway, what I used on her nails was number 31. So this is this nice bubblegum pink. And number 37, which is, it's a blue. It's a gorgeous light blue. It's not a pastel blue. Just very pretty and girly, and I love doing my daughter's nails. She comes up with some pretty neat designs, and I think I've mentioned this before, she's great advertising for me. So what I'm doing here is I'm just cleaning this brush because I wanted to show you the older brush. So this is the older brushes. A little bit harder for me to use. Now, not to say that with practice it would have been okay, but they changed their brushes. And this is what they look like now. Okay, so this is the new brush. So it is thinner, it's a little bit longer. So let me just show you the difference here. So there's the difference. The pink on my left is the older brush, and the nude color, this one right here, is the new brushes. And they work fantastic. So if you have a lot of these brushes, what I've done, just because it's easier for me, is I've taken, this is, what is this brush? Light Elegance Oval number 4. I'm sure you guys have seen this brush before. Okay, I took this and I put a little bit of polish right here. And then I just applied it. When the girls at Ugly Duckling Nails say that you use 2 to 3 thin layers, they mean use 2 to 3 thin layers and you will get flawless results. If you're like me and have had a little bit of difficulty using the older brushes, take a smaller one. So like I said, I purchased 8 new fall colors. I also purchased my go-to brush is this gel brush, and this is kind of like the pinky lavender color one. So I haven't even used this one yet. I've got a couple of these. I want one for clear gels, one for colors, one for glitters. So it is amazing to use. And I bought a detailer. They have a detailer and detailer 2. I got just the detailer because I wanted a really tiny one. This is so tiny. I don't know if you can see how fine and small that brush is. This is going to be great for nail art. Great for making my stick man look a little bit better. Every time you order something, you get a little free gift, and I can't really see it. There it is. I got this in this package, a buffer and 3 candies. So I love this file. It's a spongy file, so I love it for finish filing, and it's my go-to file that I use. It's for my hands. I've got quite small hands, short fingers, so this fits in my hand perfectly. So when I'm filing, like especially on a client, it's that perfect size, it's the perfect width. I get to smooth out the nail exactly how I want it and where I want it. So if you don't have any of these, I do believe they do sell these on their website. And on that note, before I forget, their website address is uglyducklingnails.com. Let's take a look at these 8 colors and see what we think. Okay, so here are the 8 colors that I purchased from Ugly Duckling. Number 61, and that is what I'm wearing on my hands now. Number 58, gorgeous tealy green. Actually, when I'm looking at it, not through the camera, it's green, but it looks a little like a teal blue through the camera. Number 64 is a plum. Number 65 is a rich brown. This one here, I didn't realize how gorgeous this color is till I got it home. I haven't opened this, but the cap, these are true to color. This is stunning red color. Number 47. What's this one? This one I'm wearing on my hands. It's kind of a deep blue green. Number 62. Oops. And number 60. Beautiful deep blue. It's got a textured finish to it. And number 66. Okay, so here's number 61 after 3 coats. So obviously. Okay, I also wanted to compare this to Fusion's Vampy. I was putting my swatch sticks away, and I'm like, whoa, these are quite similar. If you've seen my video on the Fusion's fall collection, you will see this color exactly. So it is so similar. I like the idea of having a gel polish and a thicker consistency gel, which this Fusion is. So I'm very happy about that. Okay, we are going to do number 47, this gorgeous red. Wow, look at that. Why, this is such a stunning color. Okay, let's put this on the stick already. This is so creamy. It goes on so smooth. A little goes a long way. Okay, so here is number 47. So as you can see, this color swatch that's on the top of the cap is true to color. So pretty. This is going to be fantastic at Christmas. I am so excited. I can't wait. I love Christmas nails. Okay, let's check out the next color. Okay, this next color is number 64. Make sure I have the right swatch. And this is a beautiful deep plum. Wow, that is so pretty. Okay, so there's number 64, deep plum. This is really pretty. Okay, this next color is number 62, and I am wearing it on my accent finger here. This, see, I think this is a blue, like a deep blue, but having it on my nail, it's like a deep green. Yeah, it looks blue. It's like a deep denim blue. Okay, so here's number 62, and exactly what I have on my nail. Very pretty. This would look gorgeous with all blue nails and a really blinged out silver nail for the accent finger. Okay, next color we're going to swatch is number 66. Okay, so here's number 66. Very pretty. I would wear this even with my skin tone. Okay, next color we're going to look at is number 65. And this is a beautiful deep brown. Here is number 65. It's a beautiful, rich chocolate brown. I love that there is brown in this year's fall collections. Ugly Duckling, Fusion, and Light Elegance all have some gorgeous browns, and all of them are different. Okay, this color is number 60. Now, Natasha and Christina did a live Facebook tutorial, so I'm actually really curious to see what this looks like in person. Okay, so there is number 60. So pretty, stunning. Perfect for fall, perfect for winter. Oh, love these colors. And I'm hungry, so that's why I'm shaking. But I was just too excited. I had to do these swatches for you guys. I can eat later. Okay, I have one last color to show you. Okay, and this is number 58. This has got a bit of a shimmer to it. This is beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, so here's number 58. It's this beautiful teal green with a bit of shimmer to it. Just stunning. Okay, everyone, here are the 8 new fall colors that I purchased from Ugly Duckling Nails. Again, number 58, number 60, number 65, number 66, 62, 61, gorgeous 47, number 64. Phenomenal colors. I love the selections that I've picked out, kind of a nice variety there. Let me know what you think. Comment down below what's your favorite color, even color combination. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll do my best to answer it as fast as possible. And until next time, have an awesome day, everyone. Bye.